And I wanted to talk today about how we install the business intelligence designers. So this used to be part of SQL Server data tools, and the way that we install these with Visual Studio 2019 has changed, and so I wanted to review with you how that works. Now this topic is not exclusive to Azure, of course, but with Azure SQL Database and SSIS and Azure Analysis Services, we still do our development of those products in Visual Studio, so I thought that this would be a helpful topic to share. So to begin, when you're installing Visual Studio, the database tools or the SQL Server Database Designer is still an option when you're doing the Visual Studio installation, and I'm showing that here. So this is available similar to how it was in previous versions of Visual Studio, and this again is just the database design tools. This is not integration services, analysis services, or reporting services. And so SQL Server Data Tools by name, again the database designer only, is still available through the regular Visual Studio installation. You can just search for that option, make that selection, and you're all set there. Now, once you have Visual Studio installed, the way that we enable development for integration services, reporting services, and analysis services now is through Visual Studio extensions. And so in previous releases, there used to be a separate installation or an add-on to Visual Studio that we had to download it and install. And with 2019, this is completely different. And so I'm just showing here on this screenshot that we can enable these extensions just by going up to Manage Extensions, and then you can search for those and download and install them. It's pretty simple. I hope you found this information useful. There are some changes, and I was glad to share this with you. If you have any questions about developing solutions for Azure with Visual Studio or otherwise, please reach out, let us know. Thank you.